The Mari native religion also known as Mari paganism or Simari Jula, Chimari Yula, is the traditional ethnic faith of the Mari people a Finno-Ugric group primarily living in the Mari El Republic in Russia, along the Volga River. It is an animistic and polytheistic tradition centered on nature worship, reverence for the supreme god Oshkugu Yumo Great White God, other deities, spirits of nature, sacred trees, and harmony with the environment. The Mari are often called Europe's last pagans, due to the survival and revival of this ancient faith despite centuries of pressure from Christianity, Islam, Soviet atheism, and other influences. Unlike many world religions with grand temples, cathedrals, or monumental pilgrimage sites, e.g., Makkah, Vatican, or Varanasi, Mari paganism has no massive built structures or globally famous, holy places, in the conventional sense. Worship occurs in natural settings, emphasizing sacred natural sites rather than man-made architecture. Key holy places in Mari paganism. The primary and most characteristic holy places are sacred groves called Kushoto or Otto in Mari. These are forested areas or groves dedicated to specific deities or spirits, where rituals, prayers, animal, vegetable sacrifices, and communal festivals take place. They are considered protected by divine forces, and desecration is seen as a severe offense. There are hundreds of these groves in Mari El. Estimates range from around 360 to 520 or more in some accounts, making the region a landscape dotted with these living sacred sites. Rituals often involve priests, carts, offerings tied to trees, e.g., towels or ribbons, fires for sacrificial cooking, and prayers to gods of nature, fertility, earth, and cosmos. Some groves are associated with sacred mountains or tiered sanctuaries on hills, divided into sections for different deities. Specific notable or mentioned examples include Shornoto Grove near the village of Tumyamachaj, site of large regional gatherings every 5 years for major prayers. Groves near villages like Marisula, known for public ceremonies with animal sacrifices and prayers to Oshkugu Yumo. Oak Grove mentioned in historical contexts, a significant site that has faced threats or damage in the past. Kyujo Kuryak Prayer Mountain, a photographed sacred site highlighting the tradition's enduring practice. Other elements include individual sacred trees, e.g., oaks, lindens, or birches for higher deities, springs, or natural features consecrated to gods like Keremet, associated with earth, water and sometimes viewed ambivalently.